Hi everybody, this is Dan. I wanted to take time today in a tutorial about making track icons in your Cakewalk templates, your project templates, and your recording templates. The ones you save, you can save an icon for each of those. And I've been getting a lot of questions. How do I get customized icons in there? And you can do that, and it just makes for an easier way to look at your files. And when you have a nice icon there, it's easier to identify them. So this is a great way to do it. Let me show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. Here we go. Okay, so we're in my Cakewalk here. I've already got it opened. I don't have a project open, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go up here to Start Screen. And you can see there's my recent projects here. I don't want to open that. I want to open a blank screen. I'm going to just open my piano template. That's my default setting here. And it brings it all up. All I have is a piano and one audio track just in case I need to record and sing at the same time. It's just a quick way to set that up. So let's say this is how I want to have it set up. All you have to do once you've got your template set up like you want it, instruments in here like you need them, all you have to do is go up here to Notes, and in here you're going to see either a blank square or you're going to see a picture. This has a picture because this was created with the template, and I already had that in there. But you see an X up here in the right corner that deletes that picture if you want to take it out altogether. If you want to just switch it out, you can press this, the plus sign, and this will bring it up into your Explorer program so you can see your files. And if you want to use the track icons that Cakewalk has, you can just go to C drive or wherever you have your Cakewalk installed and look for Cakewalk content. Click on that, and if you go to Cakewalk Core, and then right down here it says track icon, just open that up. And in here is every icon that you can use throughout the whole program. You can use these if you want for your templates as well. So let's say I wanted to create a vocal template. I'm going to just find a good one. Let's see, here's a good microphone picture. I'll just pick that one. Let's see what else there is, just to see. A lot of great pictures in here. But, if you have a matching mic that you're using or something, sometimes that'll help. So anyway, I'm going to just pick this second one. It's a good mic here. And so what it does, it brings it in this notes thing here. Now, once you have a picture in there, all you have to do, once you have your template set like you want it, with the picture in it, you just go up here and you're going to save as, just like you're going to save the template normally. And you want to go in here. You don't want to save it in this default window. This is where all my projects go. I want to save it in my template file. So I go here in the save as type to template, and then also go to folder. I have to set that as template as well. That'll bring up the template files, and these are the ones I had in there already. So I'm just going to create this as my vocal template. We'll just call it vocal. I'm going to capitalize it so I keep everything consistent here. Alright, so once I have it like I want it, I just hit save, and it should be there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out. Now you can see here it says vocal CWT, so it saved the template. If it were a project, it'd say CWP, but we haven't saved anything, so it doesn't say that. So all I have to do is close this out. Don't close the program out. You don't have to do that. It'll automatically bring up your template window. And then just go up to New Project. And voila, there's my microphone template. Click on that, and it brings up those settings. And that's it. That's all you have to do. This little window is what does all that for you. Okay. Now, I do know that if you rewrite over an existing one, there's going to be issues with it not knowing what to do, and a lot of times you'll just leave it blank. So always rewrite with a new name unless you know how to go in and delete the files. You can delete your templates also if you go into your uh, Windows Explorer, I mean File Explorer, and just look for your, again, like where we found those track icons, Cakewalk Content, Cakewalk Core, track icons like that. But in here, there's project templates. That's where those are being stored. Okay, right here. And there's the vocal one. So let's say I don't want that anymore. Get rid of it, or say I want to rewrite it. If I try to write over this existing one, it won't save it right. You'll probably have problems with the picture. Sometimes it'll just get rid of it and they'll leave it blank or it won't change anything. So what I do is just get rid of it and start over. Um, you can pull it up, make sure it's up here, and then you can resave it under a different name. If this is not here, I can rewrite it with that same name and it won't conflict with it. So let's say I want to get rid of that. Okay, now it won't confuse Cakewalk when you go to save it again up here. It's already here, so I can make any adjustments, change the picture, whatever, and then I can just reset it, save as, and do the same thing, and it'll set it up okay. So anyway, that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe and let me know what you thought. If you have any questions or comments about it, let me know in the notes below. Um, love to hear from you. But I hope that helped. Have a great time writing music. See you later. Bye bye.